Your car seats are under attack every single day. Coffee spills, gym sweat, pet accidents, muddy shoes, the list goes on. And if you're still sitting on exposed fabric or leather, you're basically watching your car's resale value drain away, one stain at a time. I've tested dozens of these covers, read through hundreds of customer reviews, and today I'm breaking down the 5 best options you can actually buy on Amazon right now. So let's dive in. Number 1. Motor Trend AquaShield car seat covers. The Motor Trend AquaShield isn't just another generic seat cover. It's built with a waterproof neoprene foam lining that actually works. You know that panic you feel when you spill your morning coffee while rushing to work? This cover eliminates that completely. What really separates this from cheaper options is the installation process. Motor Trend designed it with a 3-step system that anyone can figure out. You don't need to be mechanically inclined or watch a 30-minute tutorial. Just slip it over, hook the straps, and you're done. I've installed seat covers that made me question my life choices, but this one, 10 minutes, maybe 15 if you're being thorough. Now, here's something you should consider. While it fits most vehicles, cars, trucks, SUVs, vans, some users mention that achieving a perfect wrinkle-free fit requires a bit of extra tucking and adjusting. The material quality is solid. It's not going to feel like luxury leather, but it's durable and comfortable enough for daily driving. The neoprene holds up well against wear and tear, and it doesn't trap heat the way some cheaper covers do. In summer, you won't feel like you're sitting on a wetsuit. For the price point, you're getting exceptional value. This is the kind of purchase you'll look back 6 months later and think, yeah, that was worth every penny. Check the link in the description to grab yours. Moving to number 2. We have the Group Neoprene covers. We're talking around $30 for a full set that includes front seats, rear bench, and headrest covers. That's less than what you'd spend on a single professional detailing session. The polyester construction with foam padding creates a comfortable sitting experience while keeping everything underneath bone dry. What I appreciate most is that these are machine washable. When life gets messy, and it will, you just pull them off, toss them in the washer, and they come out looking fresh. Here's what you should know before buying. These covers are specifically designed for cars with detachable headrests and rear bench seats. If your vehicle has integrated headrests or an unusual seat configuration, double-check the product dimensions before ordering. One thing some users point out, textile seat covers like these will show wear over time, similar to your favorite pair of jeans. They're durable, but if you're rough on them or have large dogs with sharp claws, expect to see some signs of use after a year or two. For heated seat owners, you'll be happy to know the warmth passes through just fine. The material is thin enough to let the heat come through, but thick enough to provide real protection. It's that sweet spot most manufacturers struggle to hit. Number 3 brings us back to Motor Trend SpillGuard seat covers. The neoprene lining combined with 3 millimeters of padding creates a barrier that handles everything: water, soda, whatever mystery liquid your kids manage to create. What makes the SpillGuard special is how easy it is to clean. Most spills can be wiped away with a damp cloth within seconds. You don't need special cleaning products or techniques. This is huge for parents, rideshare drivers, or anyone who eats in their car more than they'd like to admit. Installation follows that same straightforward approach we saw with the AquaShield. The covers fit most vehicles well, and the attachment system keeps them stable during use. You're not going to find yourself constantly readjusting these every time you get in and out of the car. Now, here's a consideration point. While these covers are solid for everyday use and light to moderate wear, they might not hold up as well as more expensive options if you're putting them through extreme conditions. The 3 millimeter padding is enough to add a layer of comfort without making the seats feel bulky or strange. Some people actually prefer the slightly cushioned feel over their original seats. The neoprene material also resists odor absorption, which is clutch if you're dealing with gym bags or sports equipment regularly. For the budget-conscious buyer who wants legitimate waterproof protection without spending $100 or more, the SpillGuard delivers. It's that middle ground option that satisfies most needs without any major compromises. At number 4, Gorla Gear Premium Universal Waterproof Seat Covers. These covers are designed specifically for active people. Gym enthusiasts, athletes, outdoor lovers, the neoprene material provides 100% waterproof and sweat-proof protection, which means you can go straight from your workout to your car without worrying about damaging your seats. The anti-slip backing technology is where Gorla really stands out. Cheap seat covers slide around, bunch up, and create an annoying experience every time you sit down. These stay locked in place thanks to the grip on the underside. Combined with integrated straps, you get a secure fit that doesn't shift during use. They even throw in a bonus seatbelt protector, which is a nice touch for protecting both your seats and seatbelts from sweat and moisture. It's these little details that show a company actually thought about real-world use cases. Now, here's an important note you need to hear. These covers cannot be used with heated seats. The material blocks the heat transfer, so if you rely on seat warmers during winter months, this isn't the cover for you. For anyone who lives an active lifestyle or deals with regular moisture issues, whether from sweat, rain, or wet gear, the Gorla covers are purpose-built for your situation. They excel in specific use cases where other covers fall short. Rounding out our list at number 5 is the premium option, Oasis Auto Car Seat Covers. These are for people who want their seats protected but aren't willing to sacrifice that high-end look and feel. We're talking faux leather construction that actually looks and feels legitimate. The density of these covers provides exceptional protection. Multiple layers work together. A sponge-like layer, a non-woven layer, cotton, and suede cloth against your seats. This complex construction means your original upholstery is seriously shielded from damage. But here's what's impressive. You can still feel your seat heat warmth in winter. Most thick covers block that heat completely, but Oasis engineered theirs to let it pass through. Here's the reality check. At around $110, these are the most expensive covers on this list. That's a significant jump from the budget options we discussed earlier. Installation is straightforward thanks to their tutorial video, and the material is easy to clean with just a damp cloth. The faux leather resists scratches and stains better than fabric alternatives, and it ages well if you maintain it properly. For someone who wants the best protection without compromising on aesthetics, Oasis delivers. These covers prove you don't have to choose between function and style. You can have both. Those are my top 5 picks for waterproof car seat covers you can buy right now. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.